You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, it's time for a plug and play device. Yep. Now in 2021, they are having a massive release of these plug and play devices, but take consideration that a lot of different versions, like NES, we have like Sega Mega Drive, like all kinds of different versions, and even like the multi all-in-one. There's not a lot of information on the box itself, but look at this. It's the game stick with AV out and USB. Yeah, seriously. They're making these sticks and I will show you what I mean. Oh, that's not what I mean. So inside the package itself, you're going to get the stick. And at first you maybe think, hey, this is an HDMI stick that I've reviewed before, but no, this time it comes with a USB. So what they are doing, like, they're basically reversing it. Normally going to get the HDMI that you need to plug in your device or your television, and at the side or maybe at the back, we're going to get the option for an USB for power. But now it's the other way around. You stick it in the USB port and you plug it into the AV out. Yeah, it's kind of strange. So if you want to use this device on the CRT, you need to have a converter, otherwise, or a power adapter where you need to plug it in, because CRTs don't have a USB port. We're going to get two controllers. Let's do a quick unwrapping of one. Let's see. Oh crap, the used tape. Let's try that again. Problem solved. So the control unit, or the control unit, the controller itself is a quite weird option. So first of all, we're going to get AB. These are most of the time the turbo buttons because it's just an 8-bit system so far I know. And then we're going to get L and R. Very clicky, horrible. Going to get a lot of stickers on it for the quality or the quality control or maybe the warranty. When you open it up, you can see we're going to get two batteries that we need. AAA. So that is what we're going to get myself. Yep, because we're going to do a quick reviewing and testing just to see what you're going to get. Oh boy. What I don't get with these things, like, why are they using AV out in 2021? Okay. The LED is started to blink. You can indicate over here that the batteries are full, but every time that you press it, it starts blinking. The D-pad itself, feels quite okay. Select start, and there is no rumble function whatsoever. By the way, there is no rumble function because it's an 8-bit system. User manual, so basic explanation. Oh, here you can see, like, this is very fun to show you. So we do have an HDMI version of this, because here you can see, like, it has the option what I told you before, HDMI and USB connection. But okay, we don't have it. Let's take a close look. Let's stick it in the USB and let's have some retro fun. Alright, so how do you connect it? It's quite simple. Oh, it's going to get mono sound when you're having two plugs, one for the audio and another one is for the signal of the video. Let's plug it in. Let's see if we can plug it in like this. Ooh, it takes up a lot of space. Let's plug it in here. Ooh, it wiggles all around, but it's connected. So let's boot it up and let's see what we're going to get. So when you're powering on your television, the dongle itself starts already. There is no on and off switch, so when you're turning it on, it will always be powered on. A little bit of a bummer. I wish they like added an extra feature so you can turn it on and off. Oh boy. The menu itself is a very basic menu and only 8 games will be shown for each page. Okay, so first of all, the signal output is horrible. You can see, like, it's very dark. I didn't change anything out with my monitor. I'm always recording from the same settings. The list is one gigantic pile of like mix of shitty games, homebrew games, double games. Oh boy, this is not good. I won't go through the full list, but to give you a quick overview what kind of games you can expect. I do like the games like Plants vs Zombies, the homebrew game from the NES. That's a pretty cool one. Some Angry Bird knockoffs, but it's just one big mess. Control seems to be very responsive, even from a distance, like a couple of meters. But you can already see over here we're going to get a double game. They say it's in a different region, but it is just bullshit. So yeah guys, so with the menu, no category system, one big pile, crappy list. Oh boy, this is not good. Let's try some games, let's see how it's even running. And how it looks. Okay, so let's try Zippy Race. If you deep dive through the list, you can see some good games. The music itself is not bad at all. Now when you're pressing select and start, you can go back to the main menu, so that is very convenient. So they did something right, if you ask me. I think you can't hear it on the video, but there is some interference. Holy crap, this looks really bad. So you can see like Batman doesn't have any, let's say, different color schemes. It's just one purple Batman. By the way, why is Batman even purple? So the Y and the trigger button are basically just turbo buttons. Oh boy, this is really bad. And when you're looking at Battle City, it looks not bad at all. But this looks really dark. And the D-pad is super responsive. Don't know what the hell was going on there. What? Is it a little bit too responsive? Oh, and I completely forgot to mention is that it doesn't even, let's say, remember where you last have played a game. So every time you boot up, you go straight back into the main menu, number 1. Alright, so this is a great test to test out the D-pad. Wow, these guys are freaking awful. Look at this, how purple they are. The D-pad itself is very nice. Oh. Oh crap. I need to work on my timing. Let's punch him in the balls. So you can say that this is a really quick video, and the reason why there's not a lot to show you. There is no search engine, there is no optimization, no scan line, nothing at all. This is just a basic piece of crap. And the reason I'm saying it like this, because look at the image quality, it's horrible. It's like, even if you're going to put it on CRT, it's not going to get any better. The controls on the other hand, I like them. They feel quite comfortable because of the shape. The D-pad is very nice and they work quite good. But there is always like a problem with these controllers. So let's say you're going to break one. There is no way of getting new controllers, because even if you can get yourself a new controller, there is no way of connecting it. So yeah guys, so this is what you're going to get with another plug and play device from our friends from China. Well, I thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit the bell, become one of the biggest family. And we'll see you in the next video. Why can't I do this? Yeah, and see you in the next video. Yeah, okay.